Hey everyone, welcome to another video, and today of course you can see unboxing and first impressions of a newish release from Versace, and this is the Eros Energy Pour Homme. This comes as a Olipoffer 100ml and nice sort of big gold box. Versace is known for their gold and obviously the producer sort of head. So that's the box. I'm going to quickly take off the seal. So I hope you're all doing okay today and having a good day, no matter what you're doing, whether you're at work, at home, with family, whatever, and enjoying your fragrances, of course. So nice box actually. I do like the gold. I have got a thing for gold. So yeah, we'll get into what the bottle also looks like. Quick boxing. Now I do like the Eros bottles, and I will say this one's got like a yellow, almost gold tinge to it. It's got like a rose gold top, as you can see there, or maybe copper colour. Quite like it actually. It is obviously. Where is my other one? Here, it is the same bottle, just in a different colour, as you can see. But I do like the fact that I can see the juice more in it. It's more translucent. So yeah, quite nice. I do like how this comes like in a copper kind of colour. I really like that. That's actually really nice. Quite heavy cap as well. So metal and plastic together, I think. So, Versace Eros Energy, said to be a sort of more summery, citrusy kind of based scent. I'm expecting probably something which I don't normally like, but we'll see. Sort of sweet and fresh together, as the Eros line tends to be on the sweeter side, more youthful side. So a youthful, sweet, citrusy kind of scent. That's what I'm expecting. I've never tried this, so put this on back of the hand. Always have a good few sprayers. So what am I getting from this? Okay, very much yes, a sweet, juicy mix of, it smells like lemon and orange. The original, not so much the recent formulations, but the original Eros, when that first came out, had quite a dominant orange on top. This has got a tartness to it. It's like a tart lemon with maybe a tart like orange rind. So not so much like just the sweet juice, but more like the orange rind, and now there's sort of that can come off bitter or tart. Yeah, I was getting the orange, now it's coming down. It's smelling more like lemon. So I think that if there was a bit of touch of orange, that's quickly gone. This is a sweet yet tart lemon on top, and that is actually really nice. I quite like it. It does almost border on the line of that sort of sweet tart lemon cleaner, but it doesn't quite go there. It's almost there, but it's not really going that far. It's got a similar lemon to, and luckily I've got it at hand, lemon line. Think of the lemon in here, but this comes off quite sort of almost, to me, the musk comes off almost dusty with this, and it pulls that lemon down a little bit. I don't quite like the lemon as much in this, but it smells like the same lemon, but sweetened slightly, and actually this actually smells better. It smells like the same lemon as lemon lime, but sweetened and not sort of dusty. Is the only way I can put it. That sort of one. I'm not a biggest fan of lemon lime. The lemons there, I don't know, something about it. Anyway, back to this one. Oh yeah, that one is much better. The lemon is definitely there. I keep saying lime for some reason. Oh, it's starting to come a little bit of a woody backbone to this. I can see me repurchasing this one straight away. I love lemony scents, and there isn't that many fragrances today that use lemon. It's concentrating more on sort of bergamot a lot of late, and people are skipping past lemon, maybe because they can't really get to get a really good well done lemon. I'd imagine it's more expensive, like a proper lemon smell, juicy. I'm assuming it's the cheaper lemons really don't smell very good, but this one actually smells pretty good. And there's also a lemon top to the new Rochas Man Mustache EDT. If you smell Rochas Mustache, try saying this fast. Rochas, I can't even say it now. The Rochas Mustache EDT, I'm not a fan of. It's got like there's like a bit of spicy thing in it, and I'm not keen. But the lemon in that is the same as this as well. But this is coming. The lemon in this coming off stronger and a little sweeter, and overall better than the other two fragrances that have got the same sort of lemon in it. So at the moment, it's just staying at that lemon. The tiniest little bit of like a woody backbone, but it's in the air. You don't really get that. It's more when you smell close to the skin. But even then, it's quite faint. This is quite sticky to the skin. This is like projecting really well, just off the hand. This is going to stick to the skin. So, first impressions, how do you like it? It's a semi-sweet and bitter tart lemon, with a little bit of a woody backbone right now. Not much else going on, but this is first impressions. This is actually this is smelling like this could be a all year lemon scent. Like it's strong enough to you know, if you like the way it smells, you could wear this all year round. You know, it's got that kind of vibe to it. Yeah, it does actually remind me of that Rochas Mustache Eau de Toilette, but blended a little better, and not got that sort of horrible spice thing in it that I don't like in that. But it reminds me of it. So, bit of an old school way of doing it with a bit of sweetness. An old school way of doing a lemon, but slightly modernised with a bit of sweetness and woods. So that's how it's coming off with me right now. So, obviously I'm going to spend time with this and review in the future. I've got lots of things to review and test out and so on, so it might be a while, and there's other views of this around, of course, but that's my first impressions of Versace Eros Energy Eau de Parfum. If you've tried this, let me know in the comment section what you think. Do you like it, not like it? What else am I missing? Obviously I'm not smelling the full dry down just yet. I've just sprayed it. Leave a comment in the comment section. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, really help me out, and hopefully see you again soon on the next video.